your holy cross, you have redeemed the world.
One of the thieves crucified with Jesus is convinced of his innocence and asked to be remembered in his kingdom. Jesus replies, "Truly, you will be with me today in paradise."
Good evening, guys. I hope you are having a blessed Holy Week.
It's Maundy Thursday.
Yeah, doing a Visita Iglesia, a tradition of our family. This is our first church. Let's do this. We're now the second church. Our Lady of Sorrows.
Let us pray. Lord, let me see in every person I need and make to the injustice of the world. Please be compassion for the innocent and helpless.
Okay, we are now here at the third church. Let's find the... Anong station tayo? 5. Okay guys, we are now at the fourth church.
Station 7. Jesus is helped by Simon. We adore you, Christ, and we praise you. Because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world. Soldiers forced a bystander named Simon to help Jesus, fearing he might die on the way. I am reluctant to attend to other people's problems when I have enough of my own. Yet, there are things that I can do that could help them without adding to my own problems.
Okay, we are now at the fifth church.
They pin him down and nail his hands and feet to the wood. Today, the same process continues. Poor people are stripped of the little they have, while the wealthy accumulate more wealth.
Okay guys, we are the second to the last church. Alright, let's do this.
Because by your holy cross, you have redeemed the world.
Okay guys, off to our last church for tonight. This is our last church for tonight, for our Visita Iglesia.
What greater loss than that of a loved one? How do I feel and behave when someone dies? Let us pray.
Mary, my mother, give me a share of your compassion and love. Teach me how to comfort those who are grieving and to give them the consolation of the faith.
Have mercy on us, O Lord.
Have mercy on us.
Thank you for your precious time. Oh, may sasabihin.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Antok ka na? Time check.
Ano?
It's
We gonna eat or we gonna go home?
Go home.
Drink lang.
Na?
12 midnight.
Drink lang.
Ang inom hindi drink.
Inumin.
Happy Easter.
May Starbucks.
May Starbucks.
Peace, peace, peace,
Kumain
peace,
na tayo
peace,
kanina
peace,
eh.
peace.
Inumin